Headed to the airport with my parents. So excited because I've never been to Portugal. Ma, you want to say something?
Hey, hey.
Dad, you're not going to say
Hurry up and get back so you can get on that tractor and plow that field. And hold that guard.
I'm in Munich right now and I have to now fly into Portugal. But it was a pretty good flight. But a word of advice for you: don't ever watch Paranormal Activity on the plane because you're going to think everybody a demon trying to attack you. Everybody got the mark of the beast. That was a bad idea. But anyway, I made it. I'll update once I get to Portugal. Portugal. The flight was actually pretty good, other than the fact that I thought it would be smart to watch Paranormal Activity, so everybody on the plane was a demon. But other than that, the flight went really good. I'm super stoked to be here. This is my first time here, and even that view coming in and seeing that coastline was just wonderful. It is so beautiful. So everything is going to be new to me, so you guys are going to be extra bombarded with pictures. If you want to see detailed videos of my travels and pics, you got to follow me on YouTube at Wigs and Wanderlust. Yes, I will be doing wig reviews while I'm here as well. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the thoughts and prayers. Just waiting on this luggage, and you guys know I've been all over the world. As a matter of fact, on the plane I was looking at my passport. I only got one page left in my passport. So all over the world I've had luggage lost once, and it wasn't fun. I know I should have been concerned with the underwear and toothbrush, but I was more concerned with my wigs. I had to wear the same darn wig for 3 days in a row. Not fun. But I love you guys. Okay, let's see what the room looks like. Oh, looking a little fancy. Maybe not. It's cute though. It's cute and quaint. We got a good place to do some wig reviews right here. First full day in Portugal, because yesterday was just a travel day. I recorded a little footage of me getting over here. Flights went fine, luggage was fine, thank God. I ain't have to wear that same wig for at least 3 days. So everything is great. You see I'm repping Biggie Smiles. Matter of fact, look at the whole outfit. Loving my little fanny pack. That was a gift, leopard. You know that's my favorite color. And yes, leopard is a color. Don't ask me what we're doing today because honestly, I don't know. Hopefully I'll get lost a few times and discover some things that I can fall in love with, so stay tuned. Guys, words cannot explain how beautiful this is. What I'm about to show you guys is the Atlantic Ocean. Hold on, let me get a little closer. Look. I'm gonna turn around so you can get it behind me. But guys, oh, and the waves are just so beautiful. I can only imagine how this must be on a sunny day. I'm headed out, and I think it's just fate that right across the street from my hotel, it's a tattoo shop. Now, anybody that knows me knows that I've always wanted to get a tattoo in Europe, so let's go in here. Let's hopefully I won't be disappointed. Guys, I'm so excited. What an awesome way to end day 1, 2, really. With the tattoo, I finally got it. I can't show it because it's wrapped up, but y'all don't know how long I've been wanting to get tattooed in Europe. And I'm in Europe, you know, with my students all the time, but I never have time because it's all about them. It's felt good to be on a vacation where it is about me. So I'll show you guys what it is. Tomorrow you should have an idea of what you think I got, but tomorrow I'm actually leaving Porto and I'm headed south. So if the rest of Portugal has anything to offer like Porto has had, oh my God, I'm so stoked. Like, this has been beautiful. This has been amazing. I'll probably upload another wig review here soon too, but know that I'm trying to pump out that footage, y'all, but I'm just really enjoying myself. So talk to you guys soon.